Hello. Today we'll explain what a paradox is. Let's begin. A paradox is a situation where the reasoning appears valid and acceptable, yet the final conclusion contradicts itself or causes truth and falsehood, right and wrong, to be valid at the same time. Paradox manipulation allows complete control over paradoxes, enabling one to govern them and transcend the laws of logic and causality. This includes creating or removing situations that appear illogical or contradictory, and altering what is considered possible or impossible. A person who possesses this ability can easily make impossible things occur, such as creating a place where two opposite states exist simultaneously. It also encompasses all forms of paradoxes, including the absolute paradox, which grants a character absolute power without limitations, where everything possible and impossible falls under their will. The paradox of existence and non-existence allows one to be both existent and non-existent at the same time, or to transcend both states entirely. The paradox of transcending logic involves manipulating all laws of logic and every type of logical system, creating contradictions that cannot be resolved or making any contradictory action or decision appear valid. It can also use paradoxes as a means of liberating oneself from logic itself, such as making a square not be a square, or causing a situation where the sky is raining and completely dry at the same time. Paradox negation is the ability to deny or erase paradoxes themselves, rather than creating or using them. The wielder of this ability can eliminate their existence, or render them incapable of occurring, preventing paradoxes from continuing to challenge logic or reality. This power acts as a corrective or stabilizing force for reality whenever paradoxes threaten to disrupt it. If a contradictory logical event becomes a danger, paradox negation can nullify that contradiction and restore reality to a stable state. The omnipotence paradox is the concept of being literally capable of everything. For example, if someone argues that an omnipotent being cannot create a God stronger than itself, because doing so would negate its perfection, the paradox responds differently. Such a being can create a perfect God greater than itself, while remaining perfect as well, without either suffering any loss or deficiency. The issue lies in limitation and multiplicity, and the paradox allows these apparent contradictions to be resolved in ways beyond human comprehension. The omnipotence paradox transcends absolute perfection itself, which is regarded as the source of reason, thought, and conceptual understanding. As such, it surpasses those frameworks and is capable of resolving problems that seem impossible. If one god wishes for the sun to rise in the east, while another wishes it to rise in the west, both outcomes can occur in a manner that does not affect the other. It is not bound by any human conception or limitation.